Make the border color of C2 green. So I'm going to go here to C2, go to border color, and I'm going to make it green. But then what you have to do here is come back over to here and then say, okay, we're going to do all borders if you want all borders. And then there you go, so it's green. And then the next thing on the list is make the border weight a 3. So click back into the cell again, come over here, and line style, and I'm gonna go, it's not really a 3, I mean it would be like 1, 2, 3 if I wanted to do that one. So then here, and then once again click again, and then now I just changed it. Okay, last but not least, make the fill color of C2 green. Go here, and there's the fill color, and I'll just make it a green right there. Change the font color of C2 to dark blue. Here's your font color and dark blue.